This is just pre-registered trucks and VIP, and then I think the show opens at 12 or something, so it's about 2 hours till then. We'll just see how it goes. It's day 2 here at the truck show. I had a minor inconvenience with the 4th gen. I bent the track bar, so I've kind of just been focusing on that. But I think we got it under control, at least a temporary fix to get it back on the road. So got a little bit of footage, but now that that's kind of getting wrapped up, then we'll get a lot more footage. Might look a little bit ghetto, but a temporary fix. Right now we just have the ratchet straps on there so it doesn't fall sideways. So all that is on the all the weight's on the coils there, but we got this guy welding it up for us. We just found some all thread, and we'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like when it's done. All right, we got the truck fixed and back on the road. It is kind of just rigged up there, but it's driving. Not having any issues right now. We're just at the Airbnb. I guarantee this thing didn't win any trophies because it was parked behind the building, all show, broken. Are those jet skis? Yeah. Dude, I've never seen jet skis like that. Kind of weird. Copyrighted, baby! Oh! Yeah, big YouTube guy. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings and you know we pray up. Way up.
hits bad like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only family, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear 'em just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W is as easy as a layup. Circulate, stay up, stay up. Count up, way up. Count blessings, and you know we pray up, pray up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going on track.
How am I supposed to top that? You don't. You know, that's an option, I guess. Nate, didn't you just clean this truck?
Let's not
What
talk
happened?
about that.
What
well,
happened?
You see, I got kind of talked into the burnout. Here, clean it.
You know, probably the best decision you could have made.
That's how you do this work. You come back here. It's caked
Oh
everywhere.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Brand new tint. Destroyed.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh well, it was worth it.
Oh yeah. Give her a spin. Perfect. Perfect. All right, we made it back from the truck show. It was an absolute blast this weekend. Obviously, I ran into some difficulties with the truck break-in, but huge shout out to just everybody who pitched in and helped and was willing to help. I had literally everybody there was willing to help figure something out, and we ended up getting this thing back home, drove home. Obviously, I have some parts to order, but We were able to fix it temporarily, get the thing back home. It drove back great. So yeah, shout out to everybody who helped with that. Also, Mother Road Mayhem. This was the first year that I went to it, and it was an absolute blast. Can't wait till next year. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure you stay tuned for more on this channel. Peace out, and I'll see you next time.